Why, hello, all you gossip hounds, chatty catties, and drama llamas. It's moi, the Great Fabu, host of OMG Furry News, your premier source for all the hottest furry gossip. Well, we are 1 week removed from Megaplex, and while I'm sure most of you were enjoying the entertainment on the main stage or in the panel rooms, moi was enjoying entertainment of a different kind. No, not that kind of entertainment, you perverts. Moi was one very busy kitty gathering all the juiciest gossip from around the convention. From drama in the dealer's den to passionate poolside to scandals in the sponsor suite. So what does moi have to report, you ask? Well, the karaoke hopefuls for next year may have to pass an audition of sorts. And one of Furry's most eligible bachelors could be off the market for good. Want to know all the dirty details? I'm sure you do, but you'll just have to stay tuned, everyone. Everything you need to know and more about these stories, plus the latest recipient of our Please Grow Up Award, are all coming your way on the next edition of OMG Furry News. Until then, sweetie, this is you-know-who, the Great Fabu, saying toodaloo.